Hey guys, James here with Detailed Image. We're at SEMA 2019. We're at the Flex booth talking about all new polishers, some battery powered stuff, some really cool stuff. We're talking with Chris. Chris, lead the way.
We've got some exciting new things that we're showing here at this show. We've had some huge response with our new PXE80.
Okay.
It's a small unit. The biggest thing about this unit is the quick change. You can go from rotary just by putting it right in the unit.
So if you're like in a super intricate space and you can't have that backing plate hitting anything, switch over to rotary mode, go right into it.
Boom.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to go to the orbital motion. 12 millimeter with a 3-inch pad on it. So headlight restoration, all of your columns, you know, all the spots on the car.
B pillars,
exactly,
all that stuff. Yep.
Exactly. I mean, you also have a sanding disc that comes with it. 3 millimeter throw. It's a peel and stick. So it's right there for you.
Yep.
The other thing that's a feature you can do, you can actually change these. These pads will go, the 1-inch pads will go on the 12 millimeter, they'll go on the 3 millimeter throw, and the rotary. The one thing, the 3-inch pad does not go on the rotary just because that's not designed for that.
Sure.
We would recommend one of our other tools.
Makes sense, makes sense.
You know, the system itself is on a 12-volt platform.
Okay.
It has the same technology as our other cordless items where it has keep cool technology. The battery, there's gel inside of this. As it gets warm, it actually keeps the battery cool. So
pretty awesome.
You even have your fuel gauge on the end, so you can click the button and see where you are as you're working with it, which is a great feature.
Runtime, you're going, you're going full boat on it. What are we talking?
Actually, I have about 10 of these out in the test market, and guys are coming back to me and saying these 2.5 amp batteries that come with the unit, they're getting about 40 minutes of runtime on each battery.
So if you were, if you were doing a correction job and you were using this for maybe gloss black window trim, really intricate stuff, you could probably have use this on one charge for maybe the whole job. I mean, you could have a secondary one maybe ready to go, but for the most part, you're probably solid.
Well, the kit comes with two of the 2.5 amp batteries.
Okay, so you're just load a new one in,
It comes with the high-speed charger and all of the motions that we see here.
Okay.
The only thing that doesn't come are the pads, and you make your own combination with that, what you like to use and things like that.
Awesome.
As you turn the tool on, you've got a speed dial on the top. Also, the speed trigger, the pressure you put on it, also can adjust your speed. So just by slowly pushing it gives you a little bit of turn.
Yep.
Then you roll forward. It's a rocker switch. So you want to be able to rock it forward. It's actually a safety switch. If you drop it by accident, it turns itself off.
Absolutely.
But that's a great unit. It's gotten a lot of attention here at SEMA, and it's something that you definitely need to look at to add to your arsenal.
It has that normal flex, great build quality to it, which is awesome.
It's lightweight. It's not heavy, is it?
Super light.
And that's the brushless motor technology that you have there. You've now got a computer chip inside the unit that's basically talking to the battery and giving you the most energy that you can get.
I mean, obviously, in the best part, no cords.
No cords.
We're not doing the giant
cut the cord
extension cord mess that's inevitably all over the floor. You're tripping on stuff.
That's
all
right.
So we have that one. Talk to us about this larger machine.
This is the machine we did debut last year at SEMA 2018.
Okay.
It took our R&D department a little bit longer to come out with the unit.
Okay.
But it is a great unit now. We are ready to launch this. This will be in stock in the next few weeks.
Okay.
So we're excited for this to come to market. This is the new Cordless 3401, or the Sea Beast. We're calling it the Sea Beast. So it's.
Where does that name come from?
Oh yeah, I mean sea, cordless, and beast.
Yep.
We all know the original 3401 was named the Beast a few years ago.
Yep.
Because we all know it's a beast.
It's a beast.
So forced action.
Yep.
Same thing. 8 millimeter throw. As 8 millimeter throw, just like our original unit.
Absolutely.
What you have here though is some new technology where we've actually created air baffles around the head of the unit.
Okay.
On the original unit, the aluminum head here.
Yep. And was this whole area a little bit different on the original unit?
It was a little bit different. You had a handle. Now your handle's built into the head.
Which is nice.
When you use this unit, your hand is directly over the spindle.
Yep.
You have control of it in your hand, and then you slide your hand back around the battery.
Okay.
So when you pull that trigger and lock it, you're able to slide your hand back here. This is your stabilizing hand. This is your steering hand.
Okay.
It's just
it's
a well balanced.
Yeah, it's something probably, yeah, absolutely.
It's a well balanced unit.
For sure. I mean, you're automatically thinking you're like, oh, there's going to be a lot of weight in the back, but it really isn't.
It's not.
Wow.
Wow. And this kit, when you buy this as a kit, it comes with 2 5-amp batteries.
Okay.
This unit's also on an 18-volt system.
Okay.
But it's similar to the smaller unit. It has the Keep Cool technology where the batteries stay nice and cool as you're working with them.
Okay.
It also has a fuel gauge on the front of it where you push the button and it tells you where you are.
Which is cool.
Yep.
Runtime on this?
Same thing, 30 to 45 minutes of runtime with the high-speed charger that you get in the kit.
So I was just going to ask you that.
Yep.
You get the charger as well, which is great. Okay.
Yep. The unit, two 5-amp batteries, and the high-speed charger.
Awesome.
The high-speed charger, the longest I've ever seen was 48 minutes. So it really gets the batteries charged nice and quick.
Nice. Nice. I think that's the one thing where I think consumers always want to look for is, okay, do I have to get the charger separately and then the batteries separately? So that's great that it all comes together.
The starter kit comes with everything you need except your polishing pads in your product.
Awesome. Awesome.
It does come with a 5-inch pad. We've actually seen a trend in the industry where 5-inch seems to be more popular now.
We totally agree.
We're now including the 5-inch pad with it. You have the option of the 6-inch pad that you can get down the road with the unit.
Yep. I think a lot of detailers like that, the feel of the 5-inch pad. You know, it's just that right amount of size for most of your kind of medium to larger panels.
Sure.
So, yeah,
sure.
I think it makes a lot of sense. Awesome. And then we got the light.
We do. Like we told you from the beginning when we started launching cordless products that we would continue to grow our cordless offering. And this is just another addition to our cordless offering that we're coming out with.
Okay.
And everybody, when I posted this on Facebook, said, is that a scan grip? Flex worked with one of the world's best lighting manufacturers, Scan Grip.
Totally agree.
We worked with them to come up with a product where we could use our battery system.
Okay.
A unique thing on this, you can also use the 18-volt batteries as well as the 12-volt batteries with this light.
Yep. So if you obviously like the performance of Scan Grip, which I'm a huge fan, you have these tools, you have these batteries, just works seamlessly well.
It does. It does. And this has Bluetooth technology in this, so you can download the Flex app now, and you can actually adjust your lumens to what works best for the lighting that you have in the area that you're working.
Yep. Trying to spot maybe a certain defect on a certain panel. Say it's a silver car.
Super bright. Super bright. You can change that. You can also change the hue.
Yep. The color temperature a little bit.
Yep.
Awesome.
So just a great light. It's something that we added to our system, and we're excited to have it available.
But the fact that you could just use the batteries with it, I think that's the coolest part, you know?
The bottom line, we've told you that, you know, we manufacture our own batteries, we manufacture our own motors.
So you guys do the batteries as well. I didn't know that. Yeah.
Our whole system is manufactured by our control.
Okay.
We have the control of our system, and that's a unique feature of Flex. We are the manufacturer.
That's it.
Bottom line.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Chris. Guys, again, we're at SEMA 2019. Stay tuned for more.